Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to the project. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, what's up? My name is Troy. How you doing? Hope you out there doing good, staying out the way, and staying safe. But I make project videos weekly using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Okay, I have a long list of project ideas that I made myself, and a lot of them came from you guys. So if you have some ideas, drop them in the comments right below the like button. And next on the list is utensils that's made out of some type of wood. I got these two wood spoons right here from Walmart, and for some reason I already had these two, and I don't even know where these came from. I found these in the cabinet. I don't even remember buying them or anything like that. So these are the 4 spoons that we're going to engrave on. Since I don't know the thickness of these spoons, we're gonna use a digital caliber to determine the thickness of it. I'm just gonna use this part right here, and we're gonna get 0.43. And now we got these, we're gonna do the same thing. We got 0.25. Because in the Glowforge, if you got the cutting tray in, you can only cut up to a 1/2 inch thick. Then I'm gonna take one of the spoons and I'm gonna do some engraving settings. And then out of the ones that I like, I'm gonna do the final design on these spoons. We're gonna go up to the unknown and we're gonna use uncertified material, and the thickness was 0.43. That was the thickness of this spoon. And we're just gonna put some circles in here. Just type in circle, and we're gonna make it small. So let's make it a little smaller like that. We're gonna put one right here, and we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna go to engrave, manual, 40% power, 1000 speed, 1 pass, and we're gonna make a copy. If you're on a Mac, Command C, Command V, and we're gonna put one right there. So it's gonna be the same exact setting. We're gonna have one count in the center of it because it got that bow in it, and we're gonna put one on the edge in case our design fits the whole circle. We wanna have the best engraved look. Add a star. Okay, so we know the stars are 1000 speed, 30% power, and a circle is 1000 speed, 40% power. We have 2 in the center and we have 2 on the edge. With that bow inside of it, I think that's what threw it off right here. So if you do this, you want to be careful with your design. You probably don't want to make it too big. So that's why I'm going to kind of stay like in the center right here on whatever I choose to do. And also, let's get a little closer. I think I'm going to go with this design. I think I'm going to go with the star. I think I went 1000 speed, 30% power. I think I'm gonna go with that. This looks like it's gonna do good regardless if it's in the center or if it's on the edge. Okay, these are the 3 designs that I just came up with that I'm gonna put on the spoons. If trees could kill, they would. I just thought that'd be funny to put on a spoon. This middle one, if you know what that is, let me know in the comments. And the third one over here is just gonna be the tongue. This is what I'm gonna put on the odd spoon, the one that's thicker than the other ones. Okay, we're gonna start with this one right here. You saw it moving. I don't know why, but something told me to put down some tape because these spoons is a lot lighter than the other one. And some just kept on telling me to put down some tape or something just in case it moved. That's why you wanna go with your first instincts. I didn't go with my instincts and you see the results. But it kind of look okay, but nah, not really. It don't look, it's terrible. It don't look, it would have looked really, really good if it would have did what we wanted it to do. But it started moving, and as you can see, we only got a little bit of the eye. It's crooked. Oh well. This part right here, I don't know. It was doing what it wanted to do when it got right here. I don't know if it's because of how the wood was finished or something. It did get a good engrave. It kind of reminds me of the back scratch I did a couple months ago. But yeah, oh well. Next. This one right here, it turned out okay. It should have been a little bit darker. I don't know, maybe I could have went with deeper settings. That's why I don't mess with pieces or like that. I don't try to customize stuff like this because you never know what you're gonna get. And this part right here turned out good. At least it was all inside of it. It didn't go on the edge or anything like that. Could have been a little darker. Oh well. But this one right here, these was the spoons that I actually went to go buy, and this was the spoon that I tested on. This turned out amazing. I just wish I probably should have did some more to it. 1,000 speed, 30% power. This turned out really, really good. Really good. Do you know why you can't use a wooden spoon on a Teflon pan? It's non-stick. There you have it. Laser engraving on some wooden spoons. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Peace.